Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 241 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about pausing and listening to your inner voice, the gentle guidance that comes from within, free from judgment or outside expectations. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your body relax. Notice any thoughts or distractions and gently return your attention inward. Imagine a quiet space inside yourself where your inner voice can speak clearly. You don't have to do anything except listen. Now, say to yourself, I trust my inner guidance. I am aligned with my true path. And I listen with an open heart. Keep breathing gently, letting your inner voice speak softly. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of inner clarity with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.